Good students, today I will teach you about types of force. Types of force, two types of force, normal force and a friction force or frictional force. Okay? Normal force and a friction force. Friction force, which force exert opposite direction of the normal force. Okay? Here friction force, friction is a force friction is a force which oppose the which opposes the motion, which opposes the motion and it is produced when it produced when two surfaces come in contact, two surfaces come in contact with each other, then friction force produce. Okay? Friction force, here friction force acts opposite the movement of body. Opposite the movement of body, which slow of the movement of body or stopped of the movement body by friction. Friction is very important part which helps to move on the surface of the earth. Okay? The surface of the earth. Here normal force exert here a normal force and its opposite exert a opposite force of this force. Two types of force, normal force and its opposite force. Okay? The opposite force is which slow the movement of body is called a friction force. Friction force always in opposite force of normal force. Okay, and you know that friction force on the rough surface, friction force is found more than smooth surface. Okay, smooth surface, look here, this is tile. This side, this face is smooth surface, and this side surface is rough surface. This types of surface is called rough surface, and this types of surface is smooth surface. Okay, on the smooth surface, friction is less than the rough surface, and rough surface friction is found more. Okay, when we move on the smooth surface, cause of less frictions, we slipped and fall down. But on this surface, we do not slip because the friction force is more found between rough surfaces. Therefore, we can easily move from one place to other place. Rough surface help to move from one place to other place. Okay. Thus is during this observation we found a smooth surface friction force is less than the rough surface. Okay. After this, you know that, look here, two surfaces, first and second. When these two surfaces come with each other, and when move in opposite direction, when two palms come with near of two surfaces and move in opposite direction, then friction force produce, and during the friction force heat is also produced. During the friction force heat is also produced. Okay, you feel during when two palms rub in opposite direction is this type, and it's a touch of the cheek, then you feel heat. Okay, during this cause of friction, heat is also produced. Because why heat produced? Work is start. Work is equal to force into displacement. In this, the palm when move in opposite direction, then displacement is cause of displacement. During the rub, cause of displacement, work is produced. Work produced means energy produced. Thus, friction force produces energy or heat. Okay. Thus friction force is very useful, which help to walk on the surface. Okay. If friction is not, then we can not move on the surface of the earth. If the earth's surface is smooth, then we cannot walk from one place to other place. You know that the surface of the earth is rough. At that time, when we move, then the surface of earth and my feet surface friction force produce, by which friction force we walk from one place to other place. Okay. Thus friction force is very important. And you know that when any van or vehicles move, and when exert brake in the opposite of motion, then the vehicles or van stopped or slow in the motion of the vehicles. That is known as brake in friction force, which always in opposite direction. That is known as brake. Okay. Thus this is very important. You know that and you also hear this is chalk. If this is very smooth, then we cannot write with chalk on the blackboard. But this surface is not more smooth. This surface is a rough surface. Therefore, we write with the chalk on this surface, because the green board surface is a rough surface. Then we can write on this surface with easily write on the green board. Cause of friction is found between the surface of green board and surface of chalk. Friction force produced, then we can write on this surface easily. Okay, student? This is the friction and friction's importance and useful. Friction force is very useful in our life, which help to walk from one place to other place. Many uses, many benefit of the friction and many loss of friction in vehicles. Two part rub and during the rubbing the goods or part of the machine is disturbed. Okay, many types of the losses of the frictions and more benefit of the friction, and thus friction force is very useful in our life, which help to move from one place to other place. Okay student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.